Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to set up self-assignable roles on Discord. So first what you want to do is create the channel for the roles. So I'm going to name it self roles just like so. There, click on create channel. Once you're done with that, go to the server settings right here on the top, click on server settings, go to roles, click on create role. So I'm going to create 3 roles just like so. Once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna name it red. So click on red color here, click on save changes. Here, green, click on green, and lastly is blue. Oops, just like so. Click blue there. Once you're done with that, you just need to open a tab, go to Chrome or your browser, and go to the YagPDB website. So it's yagpdb.xyz, and make sure to log in. So I'm already logged in, so you just need to click on add to server. Once you're done with that, just click on the server that you want to add this particular button to. So I'm going to add this one. This will prompt you to add the server here, so it's not selected. Click on continue, click on authorize, click on the verification there, and now it has been added. So once you're here, you just need to click this select server and click on the server you've added the bot into. Once you're done with that, just go back to Discord, go back to server settings, click on roles, make sure that the YagPDB bot is above all the other roles just like so that it can manage all of these roles. Click on escape, go back to the website. Now go to tools and utilities and click on the role commands just like so, and you'll need to create a role or a new group for this. So I'm gonna name it colors just like so. Click on save. Now once you're here, we will now add the roles with the command. So I'm gonna name it first spread for the red one just like so. And for this, guys, you just need to, forgot to say, go back to let's delete this first. Go back here on the colors, make sure that it is on single, click on save, and make sure this is turned on, the remove existing role when assigning another role and group. So click on save, and once that's done, we can go back here again and name the first one red just like so. Click on create new role command. So I'm just going to go through this and go back to you guys. Now once you're done doing all that, just scroll down till you see this and make sure that this is all the same. So for the red, it's on the red row. For the blue, it's on the blue row. The green is on the green row. So once you're all done with that, we just need to go back to Discord. Once you're here, you just need to go back to the message here, paste this one here. Oh, it's the role menu create. So put the colors or the group or the name that you put it back on the YagPDB and just click on enter. So once that's done, it will react with the emoji for the role command. So make sure that you have uploaded the emojis. So go to server settings, go to emoji, click on upload emoji just like so. So I have my emojis here. So here, we just need to upload it. Click on open, just like so. Now, once you're done with that, of course you could also use other emojis. You could search in Google or something, but for me, I'll use this one. Once you're done with that, go back here. For the red, I'll set it to the red emoji, just like so. For the blue, of course, I'll set it to blue. Lastly, for the green, of course, I'll set it to green. And boom, once that's done, you just need to delete the bottom message right here. So click on delete there. Let's see if this works and stuff. So I click on this here, my name change. So now blue, now green. So that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, so leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.